name is Matt Hiscock. I'm the Director of Public Safety for the City of Wadsworth. Really, this has been an exciting day and a long time coming for us. What we're going to do right now in this particular area is do a brief ribbon cutting ceremony for our new Safety Town Village, a project that's been pretty exciting, been in the works almost as long as the station, and something that we're really excited for. It's a fun little program. It's something that our community has needed for a while. It's something that really became a creation out of the hard work, efforts, and donations of not just the folks standing behind me or nearby, but a lot of folks in our community who aren't able to make it here today, who either put sweat equity into making it happen or were kind enough to provide some donations and sponsorships. So we hope it's something to be enjoyed by our community for decades to come. With that, I'm going to hand off to Mayor Labaugh.
First of all, thank you for coming. This is really an exciting day for us, much anticipated. Obviously, Safety Town is a beloved event for us each year, and it's wonderful to finally have a permanent home. But obviously, as you can see behind us, this Safety Town now will be much more than just an annual event for us. This will provide an opportunity for a lot of training and a lot of community interaction, and for that we are really excited about that. I'm sure that each of you have fond memories. If you're from Wadsworth, you have some fond memories of Safety Town. Maybe you yourself went through it. Your kids have gone through it. Your grandkids have gone through it, and this is quite a bit different than what we went through, and it's exciting to have this improved facility and feature for our community. It's also, I think, a wonderful opportunity to think about, because not only is it a teaching experience for safety within the community, but it's also an opportunity for positive relationships start to develop and some positive feelings with our youth and our safety forces. And so that's another important reason for why we even have Safety Town. This effort would not have come into fruition if it had not been for the collaborative effort upon many. And I can't stress this enough about how many entities and how many individuals have participated in some way to make this all come together. The first one that I wanted to mention is I want to offer some tremendous appreciation to the support from the Wadsworth Rotary Club. And I know we have some here with us, and I just want to make sure that I give some recognition to them. Wadsworth Rotary is celebrating their 100th anniversary of being in the city of Wadsworth here. And first of all, what an amazing thing that is. But they wanted to do something special to be able to honor that thing. And so they have committed a multi-year substantial donation, which has gone to the benefit of this. And so you will notice there's some signage there, but there's a reason why it's noted as it is. So thank you to the Wadsworth Rotary for not only your support today, but also in the future, and for what you do in the community. Additionally, I wanted to offer a particular thank you to Representative Sharon Ray, and I know she's here as well, actually right behind us. Sharon is a dear friend of mine, but she also works tirelessly behind the scenes for the community of Wadsworth. She lives here in Wadsworth, she knows Wadsworth, she's grown up in Wadsworth, and she is a tremendous advocate for us. And this is another example of this. We were able to benefit from state appropriation capital dollars through their budgetary process, and we are grateful for Sharon and her support and her advocacy of this project. I also have to thank all the individuals, organizations, and businesses that have supported this effort. There's many bricks and items that are through this, particularly these little houses over here that were a measure of support from many organizations that have donated towards this cause. There's too many to note, and so there's listed on this beautiful sign that's in the back here. I want you to please look at that, because that shows those that have made this contribution and made this collaborative effort come to reality. I also wanted to mention our services and in particular Safety Director Matt Hiscock. Matt Hiscock, where are you at? Oh, he's over here. He opened here, but this has been a labor of love. And Matt wears many hats in the city, particularly right now, but this has been a labor of love. And you know, we normally don't build things in the city like structures. We normally do the streets and the you know, take care of services with our safety forces and things like that. So this is something over and above our day-to-day jobs, and Matt has really done an amazing job leading this effort. John Bellick is our Assistant Service Director, and he has done, oh, you're here. He has done a tremendous job behind the scenes, making sure that this comes to fruition. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In addition, he and they have been commanding some our safety services, our safety and our service departments to make sure, particularly our streets and our parks and our electric and many more that joined in to make sure that this came into being. I'll just tell you, for example, last week I was driving by and here they are late at night painting away over here. So somebody had to do it and they did it. So thank you for that effort. And lastly, I'd like to thank the support of City Council because obviously there were some city funds as well to make this come to fruition. And so they were supportive of this effort, and I'm very appreciative of them as well. And we have many here from City Council that are in the audience. I got to check my notes, make sure I didn't forget anybody. Certainly looking forward to the community being able to participate and enjoy this wonderful new feature that, as I said, will not only be used not only for a couple weeks in the summertime, but now throughout the year. And we're excited for that and for the public to enjoy that. At this time, we have some proclamations, and we're going to turn the time over to, first of all, Representative Sharon Ray.
I just want to say it's a real honor to be here today. You know, Wadsworth has always been a community very dedicated to our children. And I got to tell you, Safety Town has been a tradition for the city of Wadsworth for over 50 years. Most of our children have gone, most of our grandchildren are gone, and now it looks like our great-grandchildren will be going. I'm very proud that everybody has worked so hard to put this all together. I came up here and painted with those hardy Rotarians that did a fabulous job, not only with the money, but also the volunteer hours, as so many organizations did. And I just want to say it's a beautiful facility. Thank you, everyone that participated, and congratulations. And it's great to be here today. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We also have another proclamation. We are so very privileged, I believe, to have our own congressman here, Representative Max Miller. Grateful to have him and his support. I will tell you, I'm a little biased, but we have been very, very fortunate to have him represent us. He is behind the scenes, recognizing very much the needs of Wadsworth and the importance of Wadsworth. Even before he was elected, he came to my office probably a couple times, I think, that we had some really good conversations because he truly wanted to know what Wadsworth was all about, what our needs are, because obviously he has a large district to represent. And he's a true advocate for us, and out of his busy schedule and out of his many places where he could have been this morning, he chose to come here. And so thank you.
Thank you, Mayor. That was very nice. That was really nice of the mayor. Thank you. It is busy, but I have time, and this is where my time should be spent. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to all of our first responders, and thank you to your families who allow you to do this job. I know that can be tough, and a lot of people don't recognize a lot of the stress and anxiety and concerns that it can put on a family. So thank you to the family members who allow your loved one to be a first responder and to help us, our community. The second thing I'd like to just say is when it comes to even Sharon and the mayor, they've helped me understand a part of our community here. I didn't grow up in Wadsworth, but I can see the community that we have around us. That's what makes Medina so special, all of Medina County. And I really do mean that. It's much different than a lot of the other counties that we oversee. And thank you to everyone who had something to do with this. I know the amount of hard work and time that it takes that you take away from your personal lives to do this, and how much it means for every single one of us that's here, regardless of political affiliation. If we're here to serve, thank you very much. If there's anything that I can do to be helpful, but remember, you know, what our men and women go through every day just to keep us safe And during these times, we need to always make sure that we support our men and women in any type of uniform. Thank you very much for having me here today. It's my honor to present this proclamation from the United States House of Representatives to this and to Mayor. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, at this time, we'd like to have the official ribbon cutting, and we really would like to enjoy and have all of you come up, whoever would like to participate, because each one of you, you're here for a reason. And whether you're a resident and just are here to enjoy this wonderful celebration, or those that have worked tirelessly to make sure that this came to fruition. So certainly we want to do that. So we'll get the ribbon out now.
I'm not doing this now. You gotta go.
If you could just scoot in a little bit toward the crowd here. Just a little. Hold on there.
My only so we're going to do this pretend,
Okay.
and then you also need to make sure that that's timed when you do it. But we'll do a couple of pretend shots.
Pretend shot.
Yes. So this is a pretend shot first.
All right.
Okay. Okay, just a second. Did we get city council? Okay. Is there anybody that wants to get up here before we do this? Alrighty, okay. Alrighty.
Good to go?
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are watching WCTV, Wadsworth Community Television.